Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to open a bank account with Sofi. Alright, so let's begin. First, open your browser on your computer and go to the official Sofi website. From there, you'll either log in to your existing account or create a new one. If you already have an account, simply click continue. If not, click get started. Next, enter your first and last legal name, select your state and provide your email address. After that, check the required box and click next. A verification code will be sent to your email. Click send email, retrieve the code and enter it into the verification field. Once done, click verify code to continue. After logging in, go to the banking section. Here you'll choose between an individual account or a joint account. Then fill in your personal details, including your full legal name, date of birth, citizenship status, country of citizenship, and physical address. You'll also need to provide your social security number or ITIN, email address, employment status, employer details, and any backup withholding tax information if required. Once everything is completed, verify your phone number by entering the code sent via text message. Next, review the legal disclosures, agree to the terms and conditions, and click submit to finish your application. Keep in mind that you'll need a valid US address, a social security number, a phone number that can receive text messages, and a government-issued ID such as a driver's license to verify your identity, and that's it. This is how you can open a bank account with Sofi. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.